So if you want to organize your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets, turning your raw data into a clean, professional-looking table is the way to do it. So in this video, I'll be showing you just that with this fast and easy tutorial. By the way, if you're looking for some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. So here we have an example. So this is a raw data that I've just entered on my spreadsheet, and I just want to organize it by turning it into a table. Now with one of the latest updates here in Google Sheets, you can easily turn any raw data into a table with just a few clicks. So what we're going to do first is to select our entire data right here. I can do that with the keyboard shortcut Control or Command A. There you have it. Then I can just right-click on that selected range and you'll see the Convert to Table option right here. It will also have that new tab, meaning this is a recent update on Google Sheets. So if we click on that, there we have it. With those two steps, we were able to convert that raw data into this dynamic table right here. Now I say dynamic because we can do a lot with these pre-built tables. You can edit your table with your table menu right here. And you can also edit your column types, sort them, filter them, group them, or even delete them if you don't need them anymore. So many things that you can do with this dynamic table right here in Google Sheets. Now, did you know that you can also convert empty cells into a table? So let's say you're starting from scratch and you're just laying out on how you want to organize your data. So even before inputting your data, you want to start by building that table first. So if I were to build a 10-column, 20-row table, I'm just going to select that. So 10 columns and 20 rows. There we go. Once I've selected that range, I will do the same thing. I'll just right-click and select Convert to Table. Now, another option would be for you to go to Format and select Convert to Table here as well. We also have that keyboard shortcut, which is Control, Alt, and T. If you're a Mac user, just replace Control with Command. So if we click on that, it will convert that empty range that you've just selected into a table. And if you want to learn more on how you can edit your tables, I have a separate video about that I will be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly convert any raw data into a dynamic table with just a few clicks right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, you might want to check out more in the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.